In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a Squarespace trial. To begin, open your web browser and go to squarespace.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click it. This is the main entry point for creating a new site, and it is where Squarespace guides you into picking a design and starting your free trial. Next, you will choose a template. Take a moment here because the template sets the overall style and layout for your site. You can browse templates by category, which makes it easier to find designs that fit your goal. For example, if you are building an online store, you can look under e-commerce templates. If you are showcasing creative work, portfolio templates are a good place to start. If you are promoting a business, services templates usually include sections that highlight what you offer. As you browse, focus on structure more than colors or fonts, since those details can be adjusted later. Squarespace also gives you an optional guided setup called Squarespace Blueprint. If you want more control over the initial layout, choose the option that lets you build your own. This guided flow helps you choose specific sections, like a hero area at the top, feature sections for key information, and a footer for your contact details and links. This is helpful if you want a cleaner starting point and prefer to assemble the page step by step. After you pick a design, Squarespace will prompt you to create an account. This is required to save your site and start the trial. You can sign up using email, or you can use an existing account through Google, Apple, or Facebook. Choose whichever method is easiest for you to access consistently, since you will use it to log in and manage your site. Once you complete authentication and you are signed in, your 14-day free trial begins immediately. From that moment, you can start editing your pages, adjusting the design, and setting up your content. Keep an eye on the trial timeframe so you can decide whether to upgrade before it ends. And that covers everything you need to know.